Hi Thomas, this is a private art lesson for you from Miss Jones. I'm just going to remind you how to make a 6-sided snowflake. I'm not sure if your class did the cutting a symmetrical snowflake or used the chalk, but we're going to cut them. And you're going to cut them. You can either use a coffee filter or trace a circle and cut out a perfect circle. And then this is how you fold it. You fold it exactly in half like a taco. You remember? All right, so you have your taco. Now I'm going to draw lines on it to show you how you're going to divide it into thirds. You can draw lines on it if you want, because you can glue it so you won't see them. But you could see how I drew the light lines approximately in thirds. So these are where your folds are going to be. So for your first fold, you're going to take this edge and bring it up here. So this, I'll do that again. This bottom of your taco will end up being, you want it about halfway, as close to halfway as you can get it to the other side. Okay, now, I know you're going to be tempted to fold this over, but don't. So you have one folded up. The other one has to go behind. So this one, you fold behind. So it's going to end up like shaped like a Z. And mine isn't perfect because I'm not a computer. All right. And then when you cut it, this is going to be the center of your snowflake and this will be the outside. So if it's a little uneven, like mine is, and if you want to, you could start with trying to make it more even if you want to. And you just have to remember to not cut your entire fold, because that's what connects all your 6 pieces together. So, oh, and it needs to be symmetrical. So whatever you do on this side, you have to also do on this side, because snowflakes are symmetrical. Miss Jones is not very symmetrical, because I'm a free spirit. All right. I'm just cutting out. Okay. I'm just trying to make it more symmetrical. All right. So there's my almost symmetrical floppy snowflake. And then when you open up, it should have 6 sides that are kind of symmetrical. Ooh, that's the fun part. All right. So on your blue construction paper, write your haiku small and try to make one big snowflake and one little snowflake, and just put them on the paper somewhere. All right. And if you want to be a superstar, you could do 2 little snowflakes or one itty bitty snowflake, or fill it with little snowflakes, whatever you want to do. All right. Oh, your haiku needs a title. Titles need to be capitalized. Each line of your poem should be capitalized. I attached to the email for your, it has to have 5 syllables, then 7 syllables, then 5 syllables. And it just has to be about winter. And that's it. Have fun.